In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 6, exercise 14.1, probability. Observe this question. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. A bag contains what? Lemon flavored. In a bag, we are having only lemon flavored candies. Clear? Malini takes out one candy. What? Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability? What is the probability that she takes out, number one, an orange flavored candy? What is the probability of getting orange flavored candy? Observe, simple question. A bag contains only lemon flavored candies. Then how we will takes out? How Malini, or we can say C, takes out orange flavored. Bag having only what? Lemon flavored. So it is what? Impossible event. So probability of, what about the solution? Solution of first one. Probability of orange flavored candy. Orange flavored. Probability of a orange flavored candy equal to what? 0. Bag having only lemon flavored. How we can obtain orange flavored? So probability of orange flavored candy will be what? 0. Impossible event. Clear? Now what about the second one? A lemon flavored candy. This is okay. Bag having what? Lemon flavored candies. Bag containing what? Lemon flavored candies. She takes out what? Probability. What is the probability? She takes out a lemon flavored candy. From the lemon flavored candy bags, we can takes out lemon flavored. So probability of a lemon flavored candy will be sure event. 100% we will obtain one lemon. So probability of a lemon flavored candy will be what? 1. So answer for the first one, an orange flavored candy probability will be what? 0. But probability of a lemon flavored candy will be what? 1 sure event. So these are the answer. Observe again what we are doing in this question. A bag having lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy. What? Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability of? Probability that she takes out an orange flavored bag having only lemon flavored. How she takes out what? Orange flavored. So probability of an orange flavored candy will be what? 0. But probability of a lemon flavored candy will be what? 1. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.